The short answer is it will accelerate your workflow. You will be able to install our command line tools and go into a production environment much faster than you expect. And iterating on those models will become easier. That is one of the most important things in building decision models, is that we need to treat them like other software components, and it makes that very easy. From the beginning at Nextmv, we have wanted to target multiple solvers and multiple technologies. That is something that's unique about optimization as a field, is that there really is not one solution to all problems. There are hammers and screwdrivers and saws, and you really do need them all. OR-Tools is an interesting project because it is truly a hybrid platform. It is combining satisfiability with linear programming, constraint programming, and sort of giving you access to all of these things. We like that it's open source and it has this sort of broad audience and appeal. And it's also doing really, really well on mini-sync competition results. So we just thought it was sort of a natural thing to pull into the platform and give more support to OR-Tools users. Now, my favorite thing about it is just how seamless and easy it is to go from working on my machine to a hosted endpoint in a production environment. And that looks like all of the other Nextmv endpoints and models that I can put into production. So it just works in my workflow, in the systems that I've been developing, and I don't have to put a lot of thought into how to go from zero to production with this new modeling framework. So that's my favorite thing. The surprising thing to me, and this is even surprising sort of knowing what we've been building and being involved in those processes, is just how seamlessly all this tooling works together. The command line tooling and the web console that we have both sort of support you on your modeling and experimentation journey. In the Nextmv platform, we have this sort of guided workflow for how to build new models, how to manage them in production, how to reduce risk while you are iterating on those models and changing them and adapting your decision technology to your operational situation as your business changes. It's really cool to me that can apply to different solver technology as disparate as something like OR-Tools or heuristics. They all sort of work together under this umbrella. And we have almost this like Git flow style method of managing decision models in a production environment, which is now can be applied to OR-Tools.